Hey guys, what's up? Welcome sa panibagong video. In today's video, we gonna unboxing the Havit MS7 II optical mouse. So, let's get started. The Havit MS7 II optical mouse has a specs of interface type USB and size 113.5 60 to 38mm. It has 4 key numbers and its resolution is up to 800 to 1200 dpi. Voltage is 5.0 and has keystroke life to 300 million times, and the cable length has 1300mm. And there you have it guys, that is the unboxing of Havit MS7 II optical mouse. So kung gusto niyo ng review naman dito sa product na to o dito sa mouse na to, is comment down below lang or sabihin natin, paabutin natin ito ng like, sabihin natin nagpass ng 100 views. And I will do a review dito sa mouse na to. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope na na-enjoy niyo yung mixing video ko ng unboxing review, unboxing. So yeah guys, see you guys in my next video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe and pindutin yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga in-upload kong video. Hey guys, see you guys in my next video. Peace, bye bye.